In this video, I'll show you how to send someone a star on Facebook Reels, a simple way to support your favorite creators and show appreciation for their content. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look for the video or reel icon at the top of your screen and tap on it. This will take you to the Reels section, where you can browse all available videos. Scroll through the feed to find the reel video you want to support. When you find it, look for the star icon with the label Show Your Support. Tap on this icon to begin the process. Keep in mind that not all videos will have this option. It depends on the creator's settings and eligibility for receiving stars. After tapping the star icon, a pop-up menu will appear showing different gift options. You can choose the amount or type of gift you want to send. Once you select a gift, you can add a personal message in the Add a Comment with your gift box to accompany your star. Next, tap the Send for $1 button. If this is your first time sending stars, Facebook will prompt you to add a payment method, such as a credit or debit card. Tap Add Credit or Debit Card and follow the on-screen instructions to securely add your payment details. Once your payment method is set up, confirm your selection. Then tap Send Stars or Send Gift to complete the process. Your stars will be sent instantly, and the creator will see both your contribution and your optional message. This method works for any eligible reel on Facebook and is a quick way to show support directly from your mobile device. You can repeat this process as often as you like for different creators.